Good morning, dear children. Today, let us see the question number 8 and the objective type questions from the exercise 6.2. See the question number 8. The marks obtained by 50 students in mathematics are given below. First subdivision, make a frequency distribution table taking a class size of 10 marks. And the second subdivision, draw a histogram and a frequency polygon. So this is the given table. From this table, we have to construct the frequency distribution table. Let us see. Class intervals, we have to consider the class width as 10. So we have to take the class intervals as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 and 80 to 90. So for the class interval 0 to 10, you have to count the given marks between 0 and 10. So we had only 1. So frequency will be 1. For the class interval 10 to 20 also, we are having the marks between 10 to 20 only 1. So frequency will be 1. Like that. For the class interval 20 to 30, we had 3 marks. So frequency will be 3. For the class interval 30 to 40, we had 8 marks. So the frequency will be 8. For the class interval 40 to 50, we had 13 marks. So the frequency will be 13. For the class interval 50 to 60, we had 12. And for the class interval 60 to 70, we had 9. For the class interval 70 to 80, we had 2. And for the class interval 80 to 90, we got only 1 mark. So the frequency will be 1. So if you add all the frequency, you should get the number of students 50. Now let us make the histogram and the frequency polygon. First you draw x-axis, give the name x, x dash, and draw y-axis, give the name y, y dash. Intersection origin is nothing but 0, 0. In x-axis, we are going to represent marks and in y-axis, number of students. Scale. In x-axis, we are going to take 1 centimeter as 10 marks and in y-axis, 1 centimeter as 2 students. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. In y-axis, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So, for the class interval 0 to 10, we are having only 1 as tally mark. So, frequency will be 1. So, you have to draw a rectangle of height 1. Next, write the frequency as 1. For the class interval 10 to 20 also, we are having frequency 1 only. So, draw the rectangle of height 1. For the class interval 20 to 30, we had the frequency 3. So, of height 3, we have to draw the rectangle like this and then write the frequency as 3. Now, for the class interval 30 to 40, we had the frequency is 8. So, of height 8, we have to draw the rectangle and write the frequency as 8. For the class interval 40 to 50, we got the frequency 13. So, of height 13, you have to draw the rectangle and write the frequency as 13. For the class interval 50 to 60, we had the frequency is 12. So, of height 12, we have to draw the rectangle and write the frequency as 12. For the class interval 60 to 70, we had the frequency 9. So, draw the rectangle of height 9 and then write the frequency as 9. For the class interval 70 to 80, we got the frequency only 2. So, of height 2, you have to draw the rectangle and write the frequency as 2. For the class interval 80 to 90, we got the frequency as 1. So, for height 1, you have to draw the rectangle and write the frequency as 1. Now, you have to draw the frequency polygon. So, for that, you consider each and every rectangle midpoints. Join the midpoints by a straight line. So, this is our required frequency polygon. Now, let us see the objective type questions. 9th one, data is a collection of numbers, words, measurements. So, all the 3. The number of times an observation occurs in the given data is called frequency. The difference between the largest value and the smallest value of the given data is range. The data that can take values between a certain range is called grouped. Inclusive series is a discontinuous series. In a class interval, the upper limit of one class is the lower limit of the other class. This is exclusive series. The graphical representation of ungrouped data is pie chart. Histogram is a graph of a continuous frequency distribution. Dear children, hope you understood. If you have any doubt means ask with the concerned teachers. Thank you.